Alright guys, welcome back. In this lecture, I want to talk about IDs and classes. Something na minsan nakakalito sa beginners. Para ma-demonstrate ko ang kaibahan nila, I'm gonna add some content dito sa ating prepared web page. Alright? So, for example, let's use semantic HTML. So, header. And then, I'm gonna add ID. Although semantic na siya, maintindihan nyo later kung bakit. So, H1, which is our web page. And then navigation, also add ID here, navigation, and then add some anchor tag, home. And ano pa ang nakalagay? About us and products, right? And then let's create a main with an ID of main, and then a section about, and let's add some lorem. Let's also add another section here for products and add some lorem. Ayan, nakikita na natin siya sa screen. Then add our footer here. So register just per script. Right. Okay. So ayan ang ating website. Ngayon, dagdagan ko pa ng konti. And I want this to scroll. So, product. So, ngayon, marami ng products, no? Nakikita natin. But, ang gawin natin dito, because marami na sila, instead of an ID, we're gonna add a class. So, product, right? And then, yung ID, babaguhin ko, gagawin kong product start. So, palitan natin to, Okay, so the convention is, kapag ID, dapat sa buong page, nag-iisa lang yung ID na yon. Much like your school student ID or social security number, dapat ay nag-iisa lang yung ID na yon sa buong page. Ngayon, yung classes naman can be used to group similar sections together, no? To identify similar elements together. Ngayon, sa CSS to ginagamit yung class, pero yung ID has some significance sa HTML. And what is that? So, for example, kung nakikita nyo itong anchor tag na to, you can use yung ID here sa href. So, for example, I'm gonna add main, and then dito sa about us, no? So, yung ID, lalagyan mo muna ng hashtag, and then yung ID. Hashtag about, and then product start. Okay. Gawin natin, ilagay din natin siya dito sa ating hulihan. And instead pala na ganyan, I'm gonna say just back to top. And ano ba yung top na maganda nating scroll dito ba sa main? We can also add an ID to the body. Then I'll identify that as top. Kaya pwede na natin siyang gamitin dito. Okay, so tingnan ninyo ang effect. If I click on home, ayun no, para pala magandang makita agad natin, lagyan natin siya ng home, and then so H2 products, then H2 about products. Okay, so if I click on about, pupunta siya sa about. Yung scroll niya, yung scroll position, dun sa pinaka-top nung section na may ID. And if I click on products, there we go. Now, if I click back to top, see what happens. Yun, pupunta siya sa pinaka-top. Why? Kasi nandun yung ID, no? Ito yung marker natin. So, if I click on main dito sa back to top instead of top, let's see what happened. Yun, doon siya sa about pupunta. So, that's the use of ID. Pwede rin pala siyang gamitin sa loob ng anchor tag. Now, regarding class, we will delve into this more later sa ating CSS section. Alright? I hope you got all that, and see you on the next episode.